Hi, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota, and today I'm going to do a short video of our brand new 2025 Forest River Flagstaff Microlite, and this is the 25FKBS travel trailer. We'll show you the inside, we'll show you the outside, and we'll see if you like it. Alright, starting up front, you've got the nice fiberglass front cap with a big window, propane tanks with a cover, along with electric tongue jack, battery box up front. It is equipped with the electric stabilizer jack, so there's buttons up front and in the back. Two slide outs on the 25FKBS. This unit weighs 6,240 pounds dry. Nice exterior compartment there for storage. And there's also one back here as well. You've got your city water connection and your power cord plug in there. This unit was also optioned in with the slide out toppers. So you've got some protection on top of your slides. Spare tire in the back, ladder in the back. It is prepped for a backup camera. And it does also have a accessory hitch. There's your electric push button for the rear stabilizer jacks. Full length electric awning with LED lighting, outside speakers, two main entrances. Both entrances do have the aluminum fold-up steps. There is prep for a TV mount on the exterior as well. There's another freshwater fill and your water heater up front. As we walk inside, there is the control panel with your master light switches, along with your slide out buttons and your awning button. Awesome front kitchen floor plan, tons of countertop space, all solid surface counters. Microwave up above, 3-burner oven. LED lighting, pantry space here, .12-volt refrigerator and freezer, reclining theater seating with tables at each seat, directly across from the television. That is a 12-volt TV, fireplace down below. 1800 watt inverter is standard on the Flagstaff, so you can convert 12-volt power to 110. Bathroom sink, medicine cabinet, nice neo-angle shower with skylight. Full bed slide in the bedroom. Flagstaff does also come with the gas griddle and the cast iron griddle plate. There is a specific C-channel for mounting that, right next to an LP quick connect line. TV backer location in the bedroom, if you'd like to add in a second TV. Tons of closet space for hanging clothes storage. Drawers down below as well. There's that second entrance door. Toilets right here. More storage in the bathroom here. We'll do one more walk around. Open this one up for you too so you can see what's in here. Coat storage, removable shelves, Well, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota. If you're interested in this new 2025 Flagstaff Microlite 25FKBS travel trailer, call or text 218-229-7816. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.